In today's digital age, creating viral content on YouTube has become a lucrative opportunity for content creators. But what if we told you that you can achieve this without even showing your face? That's right. In this video, we will delve into the world of creating faceless YouTube videos that have the potential to go viral and make you money. By focusing on creating engaging content without revealing your identity, you open up a whole new realm of possibilities. We will explore the importance of captivating your audience through creative storytelling and visuals, all while maintaining anonymity. Get ready for an exciting journey as we uncover the secrets to success in the world of faceless YouTube videos. Choosing the right content. When it comes to creating viral faceless YouTube videos, selecting the right content is key to capturing the attention of a wide audience. Start by researching trending topics and keywords to gain insights into what viewers are interested in. By understanding viewer interests, you can tailor your content to resonate with a larger audience. Focus on creating content that is relatable, shareable, and offers a unique perspective or angle. Consider incorporating storytelling elements or educational formats to engage viewers on a deeper level. Remember, the goal is to create content that not only entertains but also provides value to your audience, increasing the likelihood of your video going viral. Creating compelling visuals. When it comes to creating faceless YouTube videos that captivate viewers, the visuals play a crucial role in keeping them engaged. Focus on incorporating high-quality visuals, animations, and graphics to enhance the overall aesthetic of your video. Creative editing techniques can help maintain viewer engagement throughout the video, so don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and effects. Consider using a variety of camera angles, transitions, and effects to make your video visually dynamic and stand out from the crowd. Remember, the goal is to create visually appealing content that not only captures the viewer's attention but also keeps them coming back for more. Optimizing for engagement. To maximize the success of your faceless YouTube videos, it's essential to implement strategies that increase viewer engagement and encourage sharing. Include clear calls to action throughout the video to prompt viewers to like, comment, and share your content with their friends and followers. Engaging with your audience by responding to comments and fostering a sense of community can help build a loyal following and keep viewers coming back for more. Additionally, consider collaborating with other creators or influencers in your niche to expand the reach of your video and tap into new audiences. By actively engaging with your viewers and leveraging partnerships, you can boost engagement and drive the success of your faceless YouTube videos. Monetizing your videos. Once you've created viral faceless YouTube videos, it's time to explore the various monetization options available to generate income from your content. Enable monetization features such as ads, memberships, and the merchandise shelf to start earning revenue from your videos. Additionally, consider diversifying your income streams by utilizing affiliate marketing and securing sponsorships with brands that align with your content. By tracking performance metrics and optimizing your video content based on audience engagement and feedback, you can maximize your earning potential on YouTube. Remember, monetizing your videos is not only about making money but also about building a sustainable income stream from your viral content. Promoting your channel. To expand the reach of your faceless YouTube videos and increase visibility, it's crucial to actively promote your channel. Utilize social media platforms to share your video content and engage with followers, driving traffic back to your YouTube channel. Collaborating with other creators or participating in online communities can also help broaden your audience and attract new viewers to your videos. Additionally, optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for search engine visibility and discoverability, making it easier for users to find your content. By implementing these promotional strategies, you can effectively grow your YouTube channel and reach a wider audience with your engaging faceless videos. In conclusion, creating viral faceless YouTube videos presents a unique opportunity to not only entertain but also earn money through engaging content. By focusing on captivating visuals, relatable storytelling, and strategic promotion, you can increase the visibility of your videos and attract a wider audience. Remember, viewer engagement is key to the success of your channel, so be sure to interact with your audience and foster a sense of community. Don't forget to optimize your videos for monetization and explore different revenue streams to maximize your earning potential. We encourage you to subscribe, like, and share this video to support our channel's growth and stay updated on future content. Thank you for watching.